Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and in this week's vlog, my other half gets new wheels on her X3. So behind me we have my other half's X3 e-hybrid. Thank you very much to Charlie and Tony at TRL for sorting this one out for us. So the car's actually been featured in a vlog beginning of the year when we got the car and we put the Schnitzer kit onto it, and we couldn't do any springs, there was nothing available. Thankfully, since then, Cobra have been working hard and we worked on a set of springs with them, so we now offer a spring kit for the hybrid X3s. So sitting behind me, as you can see, it looks pretty nice now. Just a bit of a drop is really needed. Now, while we're over at Arken, a few weeks ago at AC Schnitzer, if you haven't seen that, follow that vlog as well. You can see this car had the 21-inch wheels. They said, hey, we've got some new wheels. Would Mrs. Motech like some wheels? And I said, yes, of course you'd like some new wheels. So we're going to run these for a short time before our MW3X lands later in the year. So this is the AC2 wheel in the gloss black finish. They offer it in a satin black as well. And against the black contrast, it looks pretty good. All being black, I'm sure she'd be very happy. So drop on the suspension is about 25mm, 22-inch wheels rather than 21-inch wheels. Currently sitting on the Yokohama Advan tyre, so should be interesting to see how it runs. Like we said previously before, it's a very nice tyre. The sidewall isn't too hard, so perfect daily for her. And of course, while it was here, thanks again to Automotive Passion, carbon arch guards are a bit of a must. Now we offer a big range for these across BMWs from 1 Series to X3s, M cars and that sort of stuff. And it just stops rubbish and just junk flicking up at the road. So really, really nice touch. And of course, M-style mirror caps are a bit of a must on this because this car is not actually an M40i or an M40D. It looks a little bit lost with the kit, so had to put them on for it. Guys have had it in the bay for a little bit of a tickle to make sure the coatings are working well. So let's get outside for some B-roll and let us know what you think of the new look of the X3.
So you've seen the full conversion that we did on the X3. We're jumping to the opposite end of the spectrum now. We have a lovely black sapphire Z4 M40i in. Now this car is also having a full conversion, starting with the RS adjustable suspension kit. These are adjustable for height, rebound and bump. They have a couple of different settings that are tested by AC Schnitzer. Now the one we're putting in today is the motorway and A-road setting. This will give you the best comfort setup. The alternative is the Sport Plus and Track, but this customer really uses the car as a daily. There's a few other parts that are being fitted to the car, a styling kit and an interior package. What we'll do is we'll get it all fitted up and we'll jump back over for a bit of a walk around. So now we've completed the build, the car is sat on the RS adjustable suspension paired up with the 20-inch Bi-colour AC4s. These wheels look a treat on that car. We have put the Yokohamas on. I think this will ride lovely. The car is now finished with the AC Schnitzer styling pack. So we've got the front splitter with the elements, the full side skirts and the rear spoiler elements. We've had this full kit painted black sapphire to match the original body colour, and it's come out an absolute treat. So now that we're inside the car, we can have a look over the interior package that we've installed. We have the lovely AC Schnitzer paddle shifters with the 4 indents for best driving feel. We've also done the AC Schnitzer pedals. This is brake pedal, accelerator, and we've actually done the footrest as well to tie it all in. It looks lovely. So lastly on the car, we've fitted the AC Schnitzer Quad Sports exhaust. It looks absolutely lovely on the rear and it sounds phenomenal. Have a listen to what it sounds like, and then after that, we'll jump outside to take a final look at the car.